Hi, Kotasu here. This time I'm going to show you the hiding spots of the enemy squad AIs in range to help you practice CQB. As you spawn an enemy squad, they will flood into some of the 13 places. If you fail to hunt them all down in the first place, the camp, or you intended to practice some CQB, duck behind cover to wait them into position. The first, second, and the third locations are where the AIs will stagnate and shoot you or the observer. The fourth and fifth locations, probably the first challenge of the practice. The enemies are downstairs. The sixth and seventh located back left of the spawn. The eighth will be on a truck 50 cal in some rare cases. The biggest challenge is it if you encounter. The ninth will crouch in a corner here. The 10th will be prone on the middle of the ground or crouching under the gate. The 11th will be crouching behind the counter watching the door. The 12th will be prone watching the stairs, or he heard you are behind, he'll turn around. This is the second challenge. The 13th will crouch in the corner watching the stairs. Normally, I show you again. If you kill them all, the range computer will be okay to spawn another enemy squad. If the range computer blocked the option, just double reset enemies. Then you are good to go again.